Are you also managing a pet supply store? Then this video is definitely for you, because today we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your pet supply store business. So as an owner of a pet supply store, I am receiving multiple inquiries on regular basis related to the toys and accessories of the pets, discount offers, etc. Handling each of the inquiry manually is a time-consuming task. Therefore, I have decided to create a WhatsApp chatbot for it without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to handle all the inquiries 24/7 for me. Now for your business, if you also want to learn the process of creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your pet supply store business. So as an owner of a pet supply store, I was receiving multiple inquiries from my customers or new leads regarding the pet accessories, pet food, discount, offers and much more. Handling each of these inquiries manually was time consuming and also a confusing task. Therefore, I have set up a WhatsApp chatbot which is going to now handle all the WhatsApp messages which I'm receiving from my customers on day-to-day basis. Also, it is going to automate responses 24/7. So first of all, let me show you that how my bot is actually going to work. So this is the business WhatsApp number of my pet supply shop. When I'm going to send a message on this number as a customer, let's say, "Hi, I want toys for my pet." As I've sent that message, you can see I got an instant reply automatically. "Hi there, welcome to Furry Finds, your one-stop shop for pet supplies. May I know your name?" Let me provide a name over here first of all. Let's say test user. As I said my name, I got an instant reply once again, this time along with my name. "Thanks test user, please choose a category." So let's say I'm going to select this category, pet food. We have easy buttons which customers can select easily to send the reply. Awesome test user, we have premium pet food from top brands like Pedigree, Royal Canin and Rules. Here I have an option to place an order as well. So when I click on this button, I got the link to place the order. So in this way, bot is actually going to work. Do you know, I have not used any single coding and programming skills to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. I've just used Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple WhatsApp chatbots for our businesses. And not only this, but we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow as well to streamline the process of our business automation. So let's get started. To start with the process, open a new tab in your browser, type pabbly.com/chatflow. It is going to take you towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you will be able to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks for free to try Pabbly Chatflow and to test WhatsApp chatbots. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. It has now taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can manage the credits that are allotted to us, credits that we have consumed, credits that are remaining and much more. To add your WhatsApp numbers, you can also create separate folders over here and save them separately if you're having multiple WhatsApp numbers. To learn how to add a WhatsApp number over here and to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, we have already created a video tutorial and it is there on our YouTube channel. You can just go and watch it from there. Apart from creating flows and creating WhatsApp chatbots for our businesses, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow, and that I'm going to explain you in brief one by one. Although we have created separate video tutorials for each of these features in detail and they are already uploaded on our YouTube channel, if you want to learn any of the feature in detail, you can just go and watch the video from our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start discussing all these features in brief. So here we have inbox, where you can manage all the sent as well as received messages at one place. If you are using Pabbly Chatflow as your WhatsApp automation software, you do not have to open your WhatsApp web and WhatsApp account again and again to check for each of the notifications or the status of your messages which you have sent to the customer or lead. You can manage all those things at the same place inside Pabbly Chatflow by using inbox feature. Here you can also see the status of the messages which you have sent, whether it is sent, delivered or read by your customers, and also the received messages from your customers or leads. All right. We have the contact section then, where we can manage list of contacts. So we can create separate list of contacts on the basis of their requirements, and then further we will be able to send messages separately to each of the list. We have the team queue section, by using which we can assign chats of different customers or different leads to different team members, and we can also track the performance of each of the team member by this, and we can check whether they are replying promptly or no. Also, it will help you to increase the productivity of your team and the team collaboration. Then we have the template section, by using which we can create customized, personalized templates to be sent to the customers or leads in the personalized format along with their own details to make the communication more engaged. And also it helps us to send media such as document, brochures, catalogs, images, videos, etc. along with the templates. Then we have the broadcast section, by using which we can send mass messages to list of customers, leads, or employees, or anyone with the help of creative and customized templates. Then we have the flow section, by using which we can create chatbots and flows for our businesses. We have settings section, where we can manage entire settings of different features of Pabbly chat flow. Then we have the get help section. If you need help regarding anything in Pabbly chat flow regarding any of the feature, you can just select this option. Now, after understanding each of the feature, let's start creating a chatbot for our business. And to start with the process of creating the chatbot, we have to create a flow. So let's click on this add flow button. Flow is actually going to decide what message should be sent next to the customers on the basis of their responses. So basically the chatbot which we are going to create is going to be based on the flow entirely. All right, so let's start with the flow. First of all, let's provide a name to the flow. Let's say the name of my flow will be WhatsApp chatbot for your pet supply store business. After giving the name to my flow, I'm going to start with the flow. So first of all, you have to decide what kind of messages when you're going to receive, your flow is going to start. In those messages, some keywords will be there. For example, as I've shown you in the beginning of the video, I'm going to receive keywords in the form of messages, long paragraphs, text from my customers, and automatically those keywords will be matched. When the keywords will be matched, then my flow is going to work. Okay. So here some of the keywords which I think I can receive from my customers or leads for the inquiry related to my pet supply store could be, first of all, here we have hello, because customers or leads could send hello in order to start the conversation. Here, in order to make hello as my keyword, I'm going to type the word. I'm going to quickly click on enter, and the word will turn into blue. It will be then added as keyword. Then the next keyword will be hi. Let's say then we have hey, or we have order, or we have pet. And in a similar manner, we could have multiple keywords. But only keywords could not be received every time from the messages of the customers. It might be possible that we are receiving dynamic variations of keywords in the form of long sentences. For example, any of my customer, any of my lead could send me a long paragraph that what kind of requirements they have. From that paragraph, I need to identify keywords, and then my flow should start. All right. In that case, I am going to use regex over here to enter my keywords. Regex is regular expression, which helps us to identify keywords automatically from dynamic messages as well, and start the flow automatically, and the bot will start responding. So there is a particular pattern to enter regex. So you need to enter a backward /b. You have to open a bracket, and you will enter all the keywords which you think you can receive as the messages from your customers or leads. So here, let's say I could receive hello. Then I'm going to separate the word with the bar sign. We have hi, or we have hey, or we have order, pet, offer. And in the similar manner, I've entered multiple keywords. Okay. After entering all the keywords, after completing the regex, you have to quickly close the bracket. You will enter backward / once again, and you will close it with B. Now, if you are receiving any keyword that is in case sensitive format, you can just toggle this button on. Once I have completed my flow start, now we have to decide what next. I want to ask the name of the customer or the lead who is sending me the message for the inquiry, so that further in my communication, I will be able to address them with their own name, and I will be able to make my communication personalized. In order to ask the question, I'm going to just drag the question option over here, and I'm going to connect it with my flow start. The question which I want to ask for the name will be, hi there, welcome to Furry Finds, your one-stop shop for pet supplies. Can I have your name, please? I'm going to ask the name, and I want the reply of my customer with their name. And therefore, I'm going to select full name from my contact custom field. As I have selected full name from contact custom field, when I'm going to receive the reply from my customers or my leads along with their name, those names will be automatically added in my contact custom field section of Pabbly chat flow. And further, I will be able to use the name of the customers automatically to be sent with the next messages. Okay, so here how you are going to select contact custom field. For that, when you will go to our settings section, here we have the option of contact custom fields, from where you can add any of the field which you want, which you require as your contact custom field. Okay, if you want, you can also provide chances of reattempt if they want to make any changes, and also the validation message along with the reattempts. Okay, and also you can send a validation message along with the reattempt. I'm going to ignore the reattempt field because I do not want to provide it now. Okay, first when I will ask the name of my customer, then further I'm going to send them a message along with some options that what they want to look for. So here the message will be in the text plus button format, so that I can send them a message along with some buttons. Then here I have the message thanks full name. I have used the contact custom field in the same manner along with the $sign to make this detail variable, and now automatically the name of the customer is going to appear over here when the message will be sent. Please choose a category to explore. I'm going to select the buttons now. So let's say the first button which I want to provide to the customer is if they want to look for the pet food. So here they can select this button. The next will be if they want to look anything related to the grooming of pet, and the third option over here I'm going to provide is toys and accessories. Okay, so 3 options I'm going to provide to my customers. Now if they want to select pet food, then I'm going to send them the message as, so here is the message. Awesome. Again, I've used the variable along with the $sign for full name. We have premium pet food from top brands like Pedigree, Royal Canin and Rules. Would you like to place an order? If they want to place an order, I'm going to provide them the button from where they can just go and place the order. So here I will attach the button place order. If they are going to click on this button place order, then I'm going to send them again another message along with the link of my store. Awesome, you can place your order using the link below. Here I have provided the link. Let us know if you need any help. If they do not want to place the order, they just want to go back towards the option. So I'm going to provide the button as go back, and I will simply connect this go back button with the menu section. Okay, if my customer is going to select the button grooming, then I'm going to send them the message as need shampoos, brushes or grooming kits, we have got you covered. Check out our best sellers here, and I will provide the link over here so that they can check out the products over here. Okay, then if they want to place the order after reading this message, I'm going to provide the button for order, and I will attach this button with the order link message. Okay, done. Now in case if my customer is going to select toys and accessories, for that here I'm going to provide them the another message that will be from chew toys to comfy beds, we have got everything your pet will love. Tap below to see offer range. I'm going to provide them the offer range as well, but if they want to place the order, I have attached a button place order, and now I'm going to connect this order button again with the link of my store. Now if they want to click on the button to explore the offers for the accessories, so here I'm going to provide them the details as offers, and I will connect this offer button with another message. This week's offer is get 15% off on all pet toys. Use code FURRY15 at checkout, valid till Sunday. And here I'm going to attach a button go back, and I'm going to connect this go back button again with the options. So here my flow is ready. Now let me quickly arrange this flow once properly. So this is the number of my pet supply store, and here I'm going to send a message as a customer on this number. Let's say, hello, I want some pet accessories. So as I've sent the message, I got a reply. Hi there, welcome to Furry Finds, your one-stop shop for pet supplies. Can I have your name please? So let me provide a name. Let's say smart user. As soon as I've provided a name, it is replying thanks smart user. Automatically it is addressing me with my name. Please choose a category to explore. Let's say here I'm going to select pet food. We have the buttons which we can easily reply with. Awesome smart user, we have premium pet food from top brands like Pedigree, Royal Canin and Rules. Would you like to place an order? I'm going to click on place order. As I've done that, you can see that here I got a link by using which I can place the order for the food. So yes, our flow is actually working fine and the bot is responding. So you can also very easily create this amazing chatbot for your pet supply store. You do not require any coding and programming skills for that. Once you will set up this flow, your work is done. Just sit and relax. Your bot is going to handle all the inquiries you are receiving for your business. So I hope this WhatsApp chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. You can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free, so go and try it now for free today.